So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the overlays in Discord so they show up on your recordings. As you can see, my name is there with my green circle. So you can see us chatting in game on Discord. Often when you just press record, it doesn't really capture these overlays, so your audience or whoever doesn't see this. So I'm going to show you how to set this up so it will actually record the people chatting in Discord. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to this website. It's called Discord Stream Git overlay for OBS and XSplit. So pick which one you want. So we're going to go for OBS. And I'm going to go straight to voice widget. And then what you need to do is you need to pick the server you're on. So I'm going to pick my server. And then you need to pick the voice channel. Now this can be a pain if you keep swapping servers and voice channels, because you really need to set this up all the time. But if you actually set up a dedicated stream or recording channel, then this should be set up automatic for you. So you pick the one there. And then what you can do is you get an example here to the right. And then show speaking. So if you don't want it showing up all the time unless somebody talks like that, then tick that box. Now you can change it to small or huge avatars, and you can hide the name if you don't want people to get people's Discord names, which is probably better off. And you can change. Did you see me there key up because I thought I was talking to someone? You can change the size, the shadow, and stuff like that. I put a green ring around mine, so if somebody's got a black picture, it'll still show the green ring. But you might have to change it depending on the flavor of your friends. Someone might have a green background and just like a green dot. So once you've got this all set up, you just copy this link. Then you go back to your OBS and you create a new browser. Now I've already made one here, so we'll just look at the properties on this one. And then you just paste it in there. And you've got your height and width and stuff like that. And you click OK. And then you've got this box here. And you just make sure it's overlaid to the top. And you can actually move it about to wherever you want. You can put it to this side or even that side. So that's how you do that. If you've got any comments or anything, then post them. And like and sub. You've also got a status widget which pops up top left, which is ideal if you've got a community and you want people to join your game so they know exactly which Discord you're in. Obviously can't click it. And you've got a chat widget, so you can actually display the chat on your Discord on your actual stream, which is cool. I'm not going to show you mine because mine is for 18 plus only, and that's not good for this video. So like, subscribe and comment if you have any problems. See you later. Bye bye.